In this video tutorial, I'll show you how the document management system works in the Cherry TEAM program, how to create document templates with multiple languages, how to create message templates with multiple languages, how to choose which document to send, and how sent employment contracts can be signed online using SMS and email identification codes. After logging in to the business account, we go to Settings and click on the PDF templates in the settings bar. Here at the top, we see a category bar that sorts documents and document templates. A new PDF template and email template can be created for each category. First on the list is the Add button and the standard document created by the system, which cannot be removed. To create a new document, I press the Add button, and in the window that appeared, I see Document Title, which can be changed and used in the document. Select text from the template. Here I can select text from already existing documents. Insert Dynamic Field. We can insert a dynamic value from the system, for example, recipient's full name, address, or salary amount. Add the language of the document. Documents can be created in several languages at once. And the document text field. I click on Select Text from the template and select the standard one from the list. The text fills automatically and can be edited. All the languages that the standard document had also appeared. I'll remove unnecessary languages and keep only those that are relevant. Lithuanian, English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Polish, Ukrainian, Romanian, and Bulgarian. 10 languages in total. I removed all others. I return to the text field and leave the standard information about the employment contract with the dynamic fields. Below, I will delete the conditions from 7 to the bottom and add the conditions of my company. I will have to do this with other languages: English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, Polish, Ukrainian, Romanian, and Bulgarian. You can always add additional languages by clicking on Add a language of the document and, as I already have shown, remove unnecessary languages. I click Save, and in the list, I see the document that was just created. I can set my created document as main by checking the box. Now I go to Email Templates. Here, I will show you how to create an automatic message, which will be automatically selected by the system when sending employment contracts. In the window that appears, I see the same fields as in the document creation window. Document title, select text from the template, insert dynamic field, add the language of the document, and text field. Everything is the same as creating a document. I click on Select Text from the template and select the standard one from the list. The text is filled in automatically and can be edited. All the standard template languages also appeared, but I will only edit the message title. I click on the box, delete the number 2, and now I'll add dynamic fields to the title. Main person, full name. I see that a dynamic field has appeared in the box. It will automatically change to the full name of the person to whom the employment contract will be sent. And I will also add a contract ID to the name. I won't edit the text field itself and press Save. I see that the message template I created has appeared in the list and is marked as main. You can find the document templates and message templates you need in the category bar. Employment contract, working hours. I must mention that here you will only find notification templates because accounting documents created by the system are not changeable. Vacations, business trips, parental leave, bonuses, sickness, and absenteeism. Here you can always view them, create new ones, and edit existing ones. Now I'll show you how to prepare and send a job offer. We go to hrms, press the Add Recruitment button, and in the window that appears, I press Save and immediately see the required fields, without which the system will not allow it to save or send employment contracts. In the Employee Candidate field, I enter a name and select them from the list. Then, in the Position field, you can choose from existing specialties or enter a new one. And in the Salary field, you need to enter a salary amount, which the system will automatically calculate. At the bottom, I can select a document template. I can change it to a standard document by clicking it, but I won't because I will use the one I created. And I can still change its language. Click Save and Send. The window changes to a message window and I press Send. In the list, I see that a HRMS card with the status message has appeared. It means that the job offer has been sent. The status can be changed manually or I can wait for it to be approved online. Then the status will automatically change to confirmed by person. Now, I'll demonstrate how contract confirmation online works. For this, I created a Gmail to which I sent the job offer. I see a message in the inbox. I open the email and see a button with a link to the online version of the document and an attached PDF file. I click on the file to view it. At the very bottom, there is also a Confirm Offer button with a link to the online version of the contract. I click on Confirm Offer, and in the new window that opens, I see text with encrypted personal data in the document. The system hides it so that until the person viewing the offer has identified themselves, they would not be able to confirm the offer and cannot see the person's private data. When I press the button to start confirming the contract, a window appears in which the correct email address and phone number must be entered, which means that only the contact information of the person who received the offer is valid. After entering the information, you still need to read and agree to the personal data processing policy. Clicking Continue, the next step will require you to enter the codes that were sent to your email address and mobile phone number. I entered the codes, press View, and can see all the information and can confirm the offer. After confirmation, a metadata stamp appears on the contract with IP address, date, time, coordinates, operating system, and device data. The metadata stamp will be stored on the contract until it is no longer valid. I go back into the system and see that the status of the HRMS card has changed from message to confirmed by person. Now, to complete the recruitment, it remains for me as an administrator to approve the contract and hire the employee. But more about that in our next video tutorial. I hope this video tutorial will help you when using the Cherry Team program in the future. We look forward to your comments. Thank you for watching.